Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. As you can see, we are going to be planning today and we are doing it in my social media planner, which happens to be Modern Year Classic Size Dashboard Layout. All of my planners except Memory Keeper are classic size. That's my preferred size. That's where I feel most comfortable and suited for my needs, especially because I do prefer using multiple planners versus a big one. So this is kind of where I am. I am going to be gluing in the left side of my planner as always, for the same reason. I just created a page that I use in order to make this successful channel. So it helps me track my videos and so on, but I still love for this planner to be pretty, so I decorate it every single week. Looks like I almost skipped a week, so I'm gonna go ahead and punch the other side as well. And I'm just gonna cut it and then punch it and glue it in. So I almost missed a week. That's pretty terrible. Oh my. Okay. As I'm punching another page into my planner, I wanted to say thank you if you are joining me again on my channel and choosing to spend some time with me and watching me be a little goofy. I really, really appreciate you. And if you just found me and this is your first time watching me, welcome. I really hope you like it here. And pretty much this is what you can expect. I keep it real. I will admit to mistakes. I will tell you if I skipped a week. Actually, I am pretty religious about using my planner because I am a creature of habit and it's part of my morning routine. My morning just isn't the same without my planner. So last year I don't think I skipped a single week, and this year I skipped like a week and a half because of a move, and that's because everything was in shambles. I barely knew, like outside of my planner, I didn't know where anything is. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. And even then I created separate pages for the move, so that's what I was using for the week. Okay, so I am going to be using the stickers from Calva Plan. This is her rainbow sticker book. I love, love, love this book. It's been highly used and abused by me. There's pages that are falling out. There's stuff that is missing, but hey, I don't care. And what I wanted to do is bring a lot of spring into this planner this week. Spring is here. I see so many animals and birds and everything out and about, and it makes me so happy. So I wanted to go ahead and bring all of that into my planner. So I am cutting this into halves and applying it to both sides of my planner and kind of making this floral rainbow with a different flair. So that's what we're going to do. Next is yellow. These are so fun because you don't get to, like, you get to use just a few stickers here and there, right? But they're so beautiful and you just get to really use that up, which is awesome. And you can even use stickers that you normally wouldn't use in your planner that way. Okay, as you can see, very used and abused. Green is next. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this in half. Kind of decide how to put it in, but that's what it's going to look like. I'm gonna add that little piece. I am already loving it. I think the only thing I don't like is that little gap in between red and orange, but once I fill in everything, it might not really matter. So we shall see. Let's go ahead and add the blues. Oh, I love this. And I think the only reason that the gap happened was because these stickers have a larger outline, so there's a clear sticker around it. So I was trying to be respectful of that, but I shouldn't be. So they should be kind of layered on top of each other. That's how it should work. So I'm gonna go ahead and add tiny little bit more into the corners because I like my corners really filled in. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. Okay. So next up, purple. Look how beautiful these are. Oh, I love it. I am loving the way this is turning out and still giving me so much space to write. It's so decorative and functional at the same time. Sometimes decorating the edges for me is the way to go. Let me know how you guys feel about this and whether you have done a layout like this where only the edges are decorated. Okay, so just a little bit more, and I'm gonna go ahead and start adding boxes. I'm gonna be using boxes from the same book just because they match colors so perfectly, so I'll keep doing that. I don't have a orange in this book left. I think I really used up my oranges in the fall, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab another book, possibly from Mojo Jojo, and see if that will match. And actually I think that's a little lighter and it works better, so I'll just use a full box. And then of course yellows. There's certain colors in this book that I really like. I really used, like green for sure. I'm gonna use this lighter green. So I'm just applying boxes. This is where I post all of my videos and how I plan what I'm going to post on what day. These are pre-filmed usually like 2 weeks in, 2 weeks before. So that's kind of where I am. And I think that works for me. So I just need 2 more little boxes somewhere and I will be done. I'm trying to decide which purple. So I'll do purple right on Saturday, and it's like an escalating rainbow, and then I will do pink, and we are all done with that part. I'm going to go ahead and trim edges, and then I am not using currently that meal section in the upper left corner on the right side. I don't know what I'm going to be doing with that, so for now I think I'm just going to grab a large flower that I can plop in there and really make it visual for myself because I really love these flowers. So that's what I'm doing. I'm adding the darkest color, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove the days of the week because who needs that when you're not using that section? Okay, so then I'm gonna go ahead and cut it like so, and then maybe do kind of like a box. Yeah, I think that works beautifully. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I can't wait to hear what you think, and I will see you very soon for another plan with me. As always, thanks for joining, thanks for watching, and thank you for spending the time with me. I really value all of you and appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. Bye.